Oh, we are pulling up to meet now. Got Griffin behind me, so he's in the NA. You know, chilling and shit. Leaking a little oil, but hey, you know, we all leak a little bit of oil. But we're about to go to this meet by Me So Fresh. Hopefully, it should be pretty lit. It's at a shop. They're doing dyno pulls. I don't exactly know how you sign up, but if I can get a free one, that'd be lit. So we'll see. Well, I don't know. If I get dyno in my car, that'd be awesome. But yeah, we're on the way right now. Ooh, made it to the meet. Griffin, I don't know how we found that spot though too. Yeah, that was kind of, I was like, it's kind of lit. This is the overflow. The main thing's over there.
This is the overflow.
I think it's the overflow. He said the main event's over there. That's where they're doing the dyno pulls.
Right.
Yeah.
Where the hell did we get your car at a dyno?
No, they're like 125, and I was like, eh.
Oh shit.
I was like, no, I'll just guess, bro. Yeah. I'm cool with guessing.
Butt dyno.
Yeah, just butt dyno.
It's free.
Free, bro.
Necessary.
Dude, yeah, dude. I wish, dude. I told him, I was like, hey, if you ever want to sell it,
I'll buy it from him, dude.
Yeah, dude. He got it for $5,000, so I was like,
$5?
back in like 2 years ago.
Does it have an SR?
BQ. BQ, yeah.
Yo.
Big ass tip. Yeah, that's what I, dude. Out of all the cars, literally, I pulled it and I was like, nice. I was like, there it is. This one's for sale too.
Is it?
Yep, 12.
Fuck off.
Yep. It's not a hatch.
That is kind of the market right now.
Yeah, it's not. Well, because it's the coupe, not the hatch. And people are like, we want hatch because, you know.
12,000.
Yeah. I mean, nowadays, 5 years ago, no, be like 2. If it was a hatch, I think it'd be worth 12. If it was a hatch, it would be worth 12. But unfortunately, guys, the coupe's not worth that much. Because everyone wants to be talking to me.
Dude, this is that car from that anime.
Dude, wait, what? Yo!
これぞ本物のドリフト。
Yo, what is your deal?
This thing must be fast. It's talking to me.
Dude, I'm gonna try that next time. We should do a gutter. We should try to hit the gutters and on the next run, dude. Gutter drop, bro. See what happens.
See what happens when you try the gutter drop in real life.
Yeah,
Send us a video.
What
is this?
It's a vet slow V8. That's oh.
Right-hand drive.
Galant?
Gallant? Come on.
Oh, it's a Mitsubishi, I guess. Yo, he's got the.
Huh? The Montana plates.
Oh yeah, bro. Oh, it does have a J front. This Team Honda, bro. Oh, that's a nice track. Cool. It's like super track spec. Yeah. Oh my god, whoa. Dang. Thing's actually hella gangster. Damn.
You know what's funny? This is like 5 minutes away from the shop that's doing the ND.
Actually?
Yeah, so the ND's sitting in a garage like right down there.
We're not gonna say which one because no one steal the car. We need to get that thing on the mountain ASAP. Is that a Forza car? Dude. Oh, yo. on the mountain, bro. Damn. Oh my god.
Okay. GTS2.
Oh, it's a RX-7 on Regis.
Okay, how the fuck? How the fuck?
What?
It's a GTS-T.
Oh, it's oh, it is? How do you know?
That has the ads on the front.
Oh.
Like, how's that legal?
It's not. It's a shop car.
Okay.
That's who painted my wing. They painted my wing. Yeah.
The R34?
Yeah. The THC Motorsport.
Huh.
Yeah, they painted my wing. I think there's all their cars. I think. Or at least like most of them. This one might be worth definitely at least 12 grand. At least I give him 12. I'll give him.
That's probably worth 20.
Hey, my final offer, 12 grand. We both pitch 6-6.
Yeah. We'll each pitch in 6.
What's this?
This is a Coast Guard. Oh, this is.
Is that OEM flares or no?
Yeah. Oh no.
No aftermarket.
They
Okay.
came factory with flares, but not like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's right. Oh my God. Wait, it's right-hand drive?
Yeah, they never made these here.
Oh. Yo.
Wow.
Yo. Wait, Griffin, what's that? Yo.
Oh, this one's for sale.
It is?
18.
Oh, wait, yeah. Oh, okay.
But it's still sick.
Oh, yeah, I forgot. You're looking at the 240. Oh, yeah. If any of these 240s are for sale, Griffin will know.
If you got a 240, a Skyliner, and Chaser
for sale?
message me.
Yeah. He will know. It's 18?
Yeah.
On
18.
step Staribus, okay, me too. Clear tail lights. SR?
I don't know, actually.
He's got a VQ. He's got at JVQ on it. Maybe he's got a VQ in it.
On this.
Oh my God! Whoa, that's rally car, bro. AF. He's got that. He got that TikTok fitment,
Oh my
bro.
God, he got that rear fender.
Yo, he got my fenders, bro, on the M3.
Got it?
No.
No, I don't.
But he has a dual rotor.
A dual rotor? What's that? Like two rotor?
It's two rotors.
Oh, two
stacked
rotor.
together,
Oh,
And then boosted. It's like
it's boosted. Okay.
probably like 450,
400.
415 horsepower.
Dang.
It's a lot better than the stock.
Yeah.
He was gonna sell it to me for like $7 grand.
$7 You should take that, man. Sounds like a
It
good
goes up
deal.
Like every year.
Okay.
Like 1,000.
1,000, yeah.
Spent like 14 on it at a lucky 7.
7? I mean, oh, I'd be interested in that.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite cars.
Yeah.
Track 7.
Ah, cool. Nice.
We're dynoing right now, bro. That shit loud.
Yo, you got the Supra on there?
Huh?
You got the Supra on there?
I have dyno numbers, bro. I don't need to pay for
Oh, really? Yeah, but you just gotta show it's a flex, you know, it's a flex.
Yeah.
You be on there two-stepping on the dyno and shit?
If it was running right.
Oh, if it was running? Hey, man, if you want, I'll trade you turbos.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'll trade turbos if yours having issue.
That's the issue I'm having.
I'll take the bigger turbo, yeah. Fuck you, bro. Yeah. Yeah, direct bolt on. So you have to pay for this?
125 for 3 quarters.
Are they paying on the spot?
You can pay cash or Zelle.
Like right
They're
here?
still taking some. Yeah.
They're still taking, yeah.
They started like the sign-ups I think like earlier in the week, but right now we got our buddies Turbo Miata.
Dude, that's sick. That's sick. That's sick.
I think he said he should be making roughly around 200, but we'll find out.
Yeah. I'd be down to dyno mine. It's like,
Do it.
I don't want to pay 1.5, dude. I got the.
You gotta pay to play.
I got the guesstimate, man. I got the guesstimate.
We're already gonna be spending a lot of money next week.
Yeah, I know. We're fucking making a trip down to SoCal. Yeah.
That should be fun.
In all of our cars with bad gas
All of your
mileage.
cars?
Yeah, we're not trailing them, so. Yeah.
Like is anything specific or?
Well, my Miata, his FD, my roommate's,
Oh, yeah.
he's probably gonna take the E46.
46, yeah. We're just going to, for spring break, we're just going to do like some canyon runs, eat some good food down there.
That's sick.
Just a couple days midweek, not the weekend, so. Yo, Griffin, how many messages you got, bro?
This is my
Marketplace, bro. Yo. My guy's searching for cars right now, bro. Dude, this thing is mint. He's got the chassis shifter. Holy cow. My guy sells a stock gauge, though. He's like the stock. Holy cow.
Dude, this is my kind of build. Holy shit.
Build the M3 into this if I dump like 10 grand into it. Oh my. Dude, this thing's fully like full race car, bro. I want to find this guy. Is he on? Yo, he's on our 888s too. God damn. I think, yeah, our 888s. This thing probably rips, bro. In the corners.
This could be you, man.
Dude, oh my god, bro. Holy cow. The LTW wing. Dude, this M3 is literally like what I want my car to be. 10 grand later. No, actually more like 20 grand later. Bruh. Yo, send this to Ethan real quick.
I actually will send
Yo,
it to you.
actually,
This is sick.
Ethan, you gotta get yourself one of these, bro. You gotta get yourself one of these. Oh my god. Ethan could honestly trade his vert for like a clean coupe.
telling him to, man.
Dude.
I know.
Yo, drop a comment, guys, if you think that Ethan should trade his vert for a clean coupe.
He
could do it.
He wants an E46 M3.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to sell both his cars for that one.
Well, you could get like a kind of shit one for like 15, and he could probably sell his vert for like
A
17.
manual?
Yeah.
Really? I heard that E46 just like went up a ton.
Not that much though. I mean, I was
Really?
looking the other day. You can get a manual coupe M46 M3 for like 15-20.
1520?
Yeah.
For a clapped one?
For
One
like
that
a decent
one?
Yeah. No, I mean not a good one, but just oh wow.
Like a... Yo!
Can I buy that?
Can I buy...
15 right now.
How much? Okay. Yo, my man aired out. Get on the bags. Get the thumbnail real quick. Hey, here we go. This is nice though. Brand new, had to bag it. Brand
Right,
new,
straight out the
factory. Bagged, bagged boys.
Respect.
I respect it, dude, honestly. You got that much money? Screw it, bro. We're currently leaving the meet now. Bye, Griffin. Solid meet, solid meet. It's good today. So, playing some Yeet before we leave. Yo, guys, hold on. Look at this. Wait, look at this dog. Oh. Hi, doggy. Oh, so cute. Oh. Hi, doggy. Hi. Yo, if you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I know this like content isn't like my driving videos, but you know, we go to meets sometimes. Like I said in my previous videos, I can't always do driving because it's fun, but it's really like, you know, it's tough on the car. Like I'm wearing out a lot of things when I'm doing it, so I can't do it like every single day. Sometimes I don't want to. Sometimes I just feel like, you know, just going to chill meets and stuff like that, and meeting new people, seeing their cars, seeing new cars, talking about their builds. So, you know, that's what me and Griffin did. Obviously, like when Griffin gets his ND back, it's gonna be a lot of driving, a lot of those nights. But until then, yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.